Organizations. An organization or organizations Commonwealth English C spelling difference is an entity such as company, an institution, or an association comprising one or more people and having a particular purpose. The word is derived from the Greek word organon, which means tool or instruments, musical instruments, and organ types. There are variety of legal types of organizations included corporation, governments, non-governmental organizations, political organizations, internal organizations, armed forces, charities, not-for-profit corporations, partnership, cooperatives, and educational institutions, etc. A hybrid organization is a body that operates in the both एक रहेगी in the both public sector and the private sector, simultaneously fulfilling public duties and developing commercial market activities. A voluntary association is an organization consisting of volunteers. Such organizations may be able to operate without legal formalities depending on jurisdiction, including formal clubs or coordinating bodies with a goal in the mind, which they may express in the form of an manifesto, mission statement, or in an informal manner reflecting in which what they do. Because remember, every actions may done by an organization, both legal and illegal, reflect a goal in mind. Organizations may also operate secretly or illegally. In the case of secret social societies, criminal organizations, and resistance movements, and is in some cases may have obstacles from other organizations. What makes an organization recognized by the other government is either filling out incorporations business or recognition in the form of either societal pressure, ex advocacy group, causing concern, ex resistance movements, or being considered the spokesperson of a group of people subject to negotiation, ex the Polisario Front, being recognized as the sole representative of the sorry people and forming a partially recognized state. Compare the concept of social media groups, which may include non-organizations. Organizations and institutions can be synonyms, but Jack Knight writes the organization are a narrow version of institution or represent a cluster of institutions. Are distinct in the senses that organizations contains internal institutions that govern instructions between the member of an organization structure. The study of organization include a focusing on optimizing organizational structure according to management science. Most human organizations fall roughly into four types: committee or juries, ecological matrix organization, pyramids, or hierarchies.